As artificial intelligence rapidly advances, one question looms large. What if AI becomes so powerful that it takes over humanity? We've already reached the point where AI can diagnose diseases, drive cars, and fly planes. But what if AI brings about negative change? What if AI escapes our control? Could it be the end of humanity as we know it? Or could it kickstart the next level of advancement that we've always dreamed of? Most AI models learn by analyzing multiple similar problems and their solutions. They spot patterns in these problems and use that knowledge to give accurate answers to new questions. While some AI training methods are controlled, there are instances where AI independently learns and adapts, meaning it operates without rules. In the realm of AI, there are three primary categories: narrow AI, general AI, and super AI. Narrow AI, also known as weak AI, is designed to tackle specific tasks like voice recognition. Siri, Google Assistant, and Alexa fall under this bracket. General AI, or strong AI, goes a step further, possessing the ability to understand, learn, adapt, and apply knowledge in a manner akin to human intelligence. Unlike narrow AI, general AI can apply its intellect to any problem, not solely confined to a single task. While some experts maintain that general AI remains an elusive goal, others argue that recent advancements in AI tools like GPT-4, now capable of multimodal interaction encompassing reading, writing, understanding, speaking, listening, and seeing, have brought us closer to its realization. Super AI takes AI to an even higher echelon, surpassing human intelligence in virtually all economically valuable endeavors. This type of AI doesn't just mimic human intelligence. It surpasses it, excelling in every task a human can perform. While super AI remains a theoretical concept for now, its implications are profound. The advent of super AI is expected to usher in a transformative era, redefining every aspect of work and life. No human will remain untouched by its impact, whether positive or negative. This is where the allure and potential peril of AI become palpable, raising the question of whether AI could gain such dominance that it assumes control over our lives. AI has already permeated many aspects of our lives, tackling seemingly intractable challenges. For instance, humanity has long sought to defy the boundaries of age and mortality. Scientific endeavors have poured millions, even billions, into unraveling this enigma. With the advent of AI, scientists are employing this powerful tool to accelerate the quest for age reversal. Companies like Insilico Medicine are harnessing AI to uncover novel molecules with potential anti-aging applications. Google's subsidiary, Calico, is leveraging machine learning to decipher the biology that governs lifespan. These advancements hold the promise of revolutionizing healthcare and extending human longevity. AI tutors are also emerging, offering personalized learning experiences tailored to each student's unique learning style and pace. These AI systems provide customized instruction that aligns with their specific needs. Century Tech utilizes AI to craft a personalized learning path for each student, identifying knowledge gaps and directing them to targeted resources to bridge those gaps. Similarly, Carnegie Learning has developed an AI-powered math tutoring system that adapts to individual strengths and weaknesses, providing focused practice to help students master mathematical concepts. And AI's impact extends to the realm of video generation. Deepfake technology, a prime example, harnesses AI to craft hyper-realistic videos of individuals performing and uttering words they never actually said. While this technology has sparked controversy, it also holds untapped potential. For example, it can revolutionize filmmaking by enabling the creation of lifelike special effects, or even resurrecting deceased actors for the silver screen. While these examples showcase AI's ability to excel in specific domains, the focus has shifted towards enhancing its moral reasoning capabilities. This advancement could potentially propel AI towards the realization of general AI, artificial general intelligence. Researchers are venturing into an uncharted territory, the development of AI systems capable of comprehending and applying moral principles, akin to human moral reasoning. Traditional AI systems typically follow predefined rules and algorithms, limiting their ability to handle complex, ambiguous moral dilemmas. However, advanced moral reasoning in AI aims to create systems that can navigate this intricate landscape with nuance and consistency. ChatGPT, a large language model, provides a glimpse into this potential. Its ability to grasp emotions and tailor its responses to a suitable tone suggests a rudimentary understanding of ethics and morality. However, it still falls short of true advanced moral reasoning. To bridge this gap, researchers are exploring various approaches. For example, MIT Media Lab's Moral Machine gathers human perspectives on moral decisions made by machine intelligence. Users are presented with moral dilemmas involving autonomous vehicles and asked to choose the appropriate action. This crowdsourcing approach aims to capture the complexities of human morality in real-world scenarios. And OpenAI, a nonprofit research company, is developing AI systems that learn to understand and respect human values by observing human behavior. These systems are trained on vast datasets of human interactions, allowing them to identify patterns and infer moral principles. Reinforcement learning techniques are then employed to align the AI's behavior with these principles. Despite these efforts, developing AI systems that emulate human moral reasoning remains a formidable challenge. Human morality is inherently complex and contextual, varying across cultures and situations. Moreover, even humans often disagree on moral issues, making it difficult to define a definitive correct moral decision. As AI technology continues to evolve at an unprecedented pace, so do the ethical implications it presents. While AI holds immense potential to transform various aspects of our lives, it also raises concerns about its potential for misuse and unintended consequences. In the employment sector, AI's ability to automate tasks has far-reaching implications. As AI systems become more sophisticated, they are poised to replace workers in various industries, from manufacturing to customer service to even highly skilled occupations like law and medicine. This raises concerns about job displacement and the potential for mass unemployment, particularly among low-skilled workers. And these systems rely on vast amounts of data to train and operate effectively. This data often includes sensitive personal information, such as our browsing history, location data, and even our social media interactions. The collection and analysis of such data raise concerns about data privacy and potential misuse. The integration of AI into surveillance systems further exacerbates these concerns. AI facial recognition technology, for instance, raises alarm bells due to its potential for mass surveillance and infringement upon individual privacy. And what about misuse and unpredictability? Despite their impressive capabilities, AI systems are not infallible. They can make mistakes and even malfunction, particularly when deployed in contexts beyond their training parameters. The infamous example of Microsoft's AI chatbot, Tay, which quickly devolved into spewing offensive and inappropriate language, exemplifies the potential for AI systems to veer from intended behavior. Similarly, AI-powered facial recognition systems have been found to produce erroneous matches, raising concerns about its reliability and potential for misuse in law enforcement and other sensitive applications. And the data that AI systems are trained on can perpetuate and exacerbate existing biases, leading to discriminatory outcomes. For instance, Amazon's AI hiring system was found to favor male candidates over female candidates, highlighting the need for careful data selection and bias mitigation techniques. As AI systems become more sophisticated, they will increasingly encounter complex moral dilemmas that require nuanced ethical reasoning. For instance, autonomous vehicles may face situations where they must choose between harming pedestrians or crashing into other vehicles. Developing AI systems capable of making ethically sound decisions in such complex scenarios is a critical challenge. To address these ethical concerns, it is essential to establish clear ethical guidelines and regulatory frameworks for the development and deployment of AI. These guidelines should prioritize human values, protect privacy, and ensure accountability for AI systems. International cooperation and collaboration are crucial to establish global standards and ensure that AI is developed and utilized in a responsible and ethical manner. So what are the safety measures being taken to avoid catastrophe? In recent years, significant work has been done to ensure AI safety. For instance, tech mogul Elon Musk has advocated for safety measures in AI development. Similarly, U.S. President Joe Biden has announced what is being called the most significant actions ever taken by any government to advance the field of AI safety. This includes creating new safety and security standards for AI, protecting consumer privacy, and working with international partners to implement AI standards around the world. In Europe, the European Union is considering far-reaching legislation on artificial intelligence known as the AI Act. The proposed AI Act has classified AI systems by risk and mandates various development and use requirements. AI is a powerful tool with the potential to revolutionize various aspects of our world. However, as we embrace this technology, we must also prioritize ethical development and use. By ensuring that AI is developed and deployed in a responsible and transparent manner, we can harness its immense potential without compromising our values or safety. The future of AI is not just about technology, but also about how we choose to use it.